2 NFT projects today that you need to start researching really fast because everybody's just started talking about them. Get on the trend before it's too late. Before you do that, note this disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. So let's get straight into the video. So the first one, guys, is the Devs NFT collection. All right, it's my way or the highway. You can see all these gangster men. All right, got a bit of an Albert Einstein there going on through like maybe the Hitman. It's really, really cool. All right, and you can follow them on Twitter and go through. Now, if you want to go into their actual pre-mint site, okay, that's all you can sort of get. But this does give you a bit of an insight. Now, it's going to be on March the 27th. All right, a total supply of 7,770 NFTs, 500 spot of the winners. Okay, they are completely verified on Twitter. I'm going to show you, got hundreds of thousands of followers. All right, the official link is obviously the devnft.com. All right, if you need to, you're about to actually leave pre-mint to go to the external website, which is fine. All right, you can simply go there and have a look. It loads up what we just showed you at the beginning. Now, guys, I love the features of what this has. All right, it's a really cool concept. It's just these men that are, you know, powerful. Some of them might not be powerful. They're gonna have all different kinds of utilities on there. All right, so what I want to do is take you to their Twitter, where I told you the actual dev has 61.3 thousand followers. Okay, that's, hey, it's me, Dev, and they talk about this a lot on this program. Now, if you want to go to the Devs NFT Twitter, all right, it's 132.9 thousand followers, where they can show you all about interacting with Dev. Now, please note, this project is fantastic and it is about to blow up. So if you want to get involved, hit all the links down below, give them a massive follow, and let's move on to the next one. The next one is incredible, right? Everyone should be hearing about this already. It's Candyland. You've got this little figurine here, which is super cool, all right? The mint has just finished, but I'm telling you, this is picking up traction like no other. Over 200,000 people on TikTok watching videos on this, over 1.8 million on YouTube, and 170,000 on Twitter. Okay, they are killing it. If we go to Twitter right now, you'll see, all right, 173,000 followers. I'm so in love with these NFTs, all right? If you give them a massive follow, then please let them know you're from this channel. If you have a look at them on OpenSea, there's over 7,777 fully animated 3D NFTs based on the 4 characters of Candyland. All right, you can go all the way around. You got the smiles, Tukey, candies, and scrolling all the way through, you'll start to see the difference in prices throughout. Okay, if you go price high to low on these NFTs, you'll actually see the last one, which is the Susie. Okay, guys, this is insane. All right, it's fantastic what this project is doing. Okay, they've got some amazing trailers on here. Anything fixed with a little smile. This trailer is fantastic. All right, that's why so much traction's coming. It reminds me a bit of like a creepy theme, but still I want to see more. All right, you can see how creepy that is right there. But guys, they're on a big mission. And they're absolutely going to kill their mission, all right? They're doing really, really well. They've got so much traction. And to say they've got so much traction, there's not a lot about them on anything, all right? There's not a lot that you can see. You can go to their Discord, you can go to all these different things, all right? Go on Blur, for example, and have a look. You can connect your wallet and have a look at exactly what's going on there. You can also go and check it out over at Etherscan, all right? And make sure that you're comfortable with it. But guys, there's not a lot that it talks about on there. All I know is that everyone in the world right now is talking about this project. So that's the reason I wanted to get it to you, so you could get on here and find exactly what it is that is grabbing people's attention. Just going through their Twitter, everybody's hyping about this. So guys, that's definitely number 2 on my list. Make sure you get involved with both of them projects today, all right? I wanted them on your radar as fast as I could. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.